Hey there and welcome to the channel. If your network adapter keeps crashing or disconnecting randomly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC, don't worry, you're not alone. And today I will show you how to fix it step by step. First off, what does it mean when your network adapter crashes? Basically, it means your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection is unstable. You might suddenly lose internet, see a yellow triangle on the connection icon, or get messages like no network access or network cable unblocked. And the worst part, it might work again after a restart, only to crash again later. Alright, let's get into the fixes. Method 1, restart your PC and your router. Yes, it's basic, but sometimes a quick reset clears temporary bugs on both ends. Unblock your router, wait 10 seconds, block it back in, then restart your computer and test the connection. If that didn't work, method 2, update or reinstall your network driver. Press the Windows key, type Device Manager, and open it. Find Network Adapters, expand it, and right-click your main network device. Usually it's named something like Intel Wireless or Realtek Ethernet. Click Update Driver, then choose Search automatically for drivers. If that doesn't help, try Uninstall Device instead, then restart your PC. Windows will reinstall the driver fresh after rebooting. Method 3, run the built-in network troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then Update and Security, click on Troubleshoot, and then choose Additional Troubleshooters. Find Network Adapter, click Run the Troubleshooter, and follow the prompts. Sometimes Windows can automatically detect and fix the issue. Method 4, reset your entire network settings. If nothing else worked, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Network Reset. Click Reset Now and confirm. This will remove and reinstall all your network drivers and restore everything to default. You will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi after it's done. Let me know in the comments which one worked for you. And if you're still having trouble, I will do my best to help you out. Don't forget to hit like if this helped and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.